This isn't a direct how-to, but a crucial piece of knowledge for any Chase card applicant. The 5/24 rule is Chase's unwritten policy that can make or break your application. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the insight. If you have opened 5 or more personal credit cards from any bank, not just Chase, in the last 24 months, Chase will likely automatically deny your application for most of their popular cards. You are over 5/24. This rule is not published by Chase, but is well documented by the applicant community. It's a hard rule for their lucrative cards like Sapphire and Freedom. My crucial pro tip: track your 5/24 status before you apply. Keep a simple list or note on your phone of when you opened each personal credit card. Count them. If you're at 4/24 or lower, you're in a good position to apply for a Chase card. If you're at 5/24 or higher, you likely need to wait for some accounts to age past the 24-month mark. Apply this insider knowledge to time your Chase applications for success. Were you aware of the 5/24 rule before? Has it affected your application strategy? For more strategic credit card insights, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.